totally screwed that up. Bonna. Oh my gosh. What is this called? A gift bag. Gift bag. Gift bag. It's called a gift bag. It's a gift bag. Gift bag. Okay, try it again. Hi guys. Guess who's back? Me. Yes, and welcome to the craft table. I want to thank everybody for keeping this going and all the new friends that I've made over the summer, and I promise you it won't happen again. So that's in the past. Let's start rolling with the future, shall we? Let's get to work. So today we are going to revisit an old tutorial. We're going to take this little bag. It's a little gift bag. I picked it up at Walmart, and I just love it because I like the little old-fashioned cars. So we're going to put this on canvas, but we're going to do it kind of backwards from the last time we did it, and I promise you it won't take a whole hour. I won't drone on like I am now. But so find your favorite gift bag that you want to keep, and I'll show you what else you need. First thing is your gift bag. Then your canvas. My gift bag fits on an 8x10. Make sure that it fits your canvas. Mod Podge. Doesn't matter what kind. I'm using the matte. Large brush for the Mod Podge. Scissors to cut the bag. Flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers, or wire cutters. We're going to be taking the wood frame out of this canvas. Sandpaper. Some of the wood is a little rough. You want to smooth it down. Wood finish or paint. Whatever you want to paint your frame with, your choice. A rag for my wood finish. Freezer paper I'm using to cover my area so I don't make too big of a mess. And I'm using clear glaze as a protection after it's all done, so it can be wiped down with a damp cloth. This is what we're going to need. Let's get to work, shall we? And there you have it. The easiest way I know how to take a gift bag and make it look beautiful. It looks like a store-bought piece of art. And yes, I want to apologize. I totally forgot about the stapler. You need some way to put the canvas back on. You can use a stapler, you can use two-faced tape, glue, whatever you like, and I forgot about the hanger. It's not much good if you can't hang it, but I forget my name daily, several times a day. I'm old, forgive. And there it is. So, I hope it was better, faster, less boring, and less drawn out than the first tutorial was. And I hope you enjoyed it. And I really want to thank you for taking time out of your day to spend with me. And I hope I was able to spark at least a tiny bit of inspiration to get your imagination going. And I want to really thank you for sticking with me through these long summer past months. And I promise I will see you soon. You have a wonderful day. Bye bye now.